In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview a project in Canva. Whether you're new to Canva or searching for a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through previewing your designs to ensure they look exactly as you imagined before sharing or printing. First things first, we'll start by navigating to your Canva dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice a couple of options. If you're beginning a new project, go ahead and click on the Create a Design button. But for those of you who are planning to work on something you've already started, check out your list of recent designs. This feature is especially helpful as it saves time by allowing you to quickly access your ongoing projects without having to sift through every design you've ever created. Once you've opened the design you want to preview, the next step is critical: finding that all-important full screen function. On the top right corner of your Canva workspace, you'll spot various icons that offer different view settings. Look for the icon that represents the full screen mode. It usually looks like a small box or a monitor with extending arrows. Clicking this will transform your entire workspace into a clear, distraction-free display of your design. As you activate the full screen mode, your entire design snaps right into view. This is your chance to review every detail, ensuring colors, images, text, or any other elements are perfectly aligned. Pay close attention to edges, margins, and any interactive elements you might be using, like hyperlinks, to make sure they function correctly. Why is full screen preview so valuable, you might ask? It offers you a better perspective, similar to what your audience will see. Whether your design will be viewed on a computer screen, projected in a conference room, or printed on a physical medium, getting this larger picture view is crucial for catching errors and making impactful design decisions. Now, if you spot anything that needs adjustment, feel free to exit full screen by pressing the Escape key or clicking the same icon you used to enter. This will take you back to the regular editing mode, where you can make any changes necessary. Once adjustments are made and you're satisfied, you can return to full screen to give your project a final once-over. This way, you can ensure everything flows seamlessly from start to finish with nothing left unchecked. By incorporating this simple yet effective practice into your design routine, you not only enhance the quality of your work, but build a habit that saves time and effort in the long run. Stick around for more tips and tricks on leveraging the power of Canva to bring your visual ideas to life. Until next time, happy designing.